Echinacea uncovered, the power of the purple coneflower. Nature's defender against sniffles and sneezes. Welcome to a journey into the world of Echinacea, also recognized as purple coneflower. This beautiful plant has a rich history and has been used for many different things throughout time. It was used for medicine in the past and is now commonly used to add bright colors to our gardens. Stick with us as we share the uses, cultural impact, and some scientific investigations surrounding Echinacea. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe to enjoy more content like this. Now, let the learning begin. Echinacea is a genus of flowering plants native to North America and belongs to the Asteraceae family. The most commonly known species, Echinacea purpurea, is characterized by its striking purple petals and central cone. Echinacea has been used for centuries, particularly by Native American tribes, for its medicinal properties, which we'll explore in more detail throughout this video. Echinacea has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly among Native American tribes, such as the Plains Indians. Some of the most common applications include 1. Immune system support. Echinacea has been used to help prevent and treat various infections, including the common cold and flu. 2. Wound healing. The plant has been used topically to help promote wound healing and reduce inflammation. 3. Pain relief. Echinacea has been used as a natural remedy for headaches, toothaches, and various types of pain. Today, Echinacea is still widely used in herbal medicine, and research continues to explore its potential therapeutic properties. Some modern applications include 1. Immune system support. Echinacea is commonly used as a dietary supplement to help support the immune system and reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu. 2. Skincare. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, Echinacea is often included in various skincare products, such as creams and ointments, to help soothe irritated skin and promote healing. 3. Anxiety relief. Recent research has suggested that Echinacea may help reduce anxiety, although more studies are needed to confirm these findings. Beyond its medicinal uses, Echinacea has played a role in various cultural practices. For example, the purple coneflower is a popular choice in gardens due to its striking appearance and ability to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Additionally, Echinacea has been used in traditional Native American ceremonies for purification and protection. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in the potential therapeutic effects of Echinacea. Researchers have been conducting studies to better understand its properties and potential benefits. While some studies have shown promising results, more research is needed to fully understand and validate its efficiency. For example, a 2012 meta-analysis found that Echinacea might help reduce the risk of catching a cold by 58% and shorten the duration of a cold by 1.4 days. However, more research is needed to determine the most effective dosage and form of administration. As we wrap up our exploration of Echinacea, let's take a look at some interesting facts about the captivating plant. 1. There are 9 species of Echinacea, but the 3 most commonly used for medicinal purposes are Echinacea purpurea, Echinacea angustifolia, and Echinacea pallida. 2. The name Echinacea comes from the Greek word echinos, which means hedgehog or sea urchin. This is in reference to the spiky appearance of the plant's central cone. 3. Echinacea has been referred to as snake root due to the belief that it could help treat snake bites. Although there is no scientific evidence to support this use, the name has persisted in some regions. While Echinacea is generally considered safe for most people when used appropriately, it's essential to be aware of potential risks and side effects. Some people may experience allergic reactions, gastrointestinal issues, or other side effects. Additionally, individuals with autoimmune disorders or taking certain medications should consult with a healthcare professional before using Echinacea. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time! If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other content on herbs, natural remedies, and more. Click on the suggested videos on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.